Lemon balm nutrients and benefits. Lemon balm contains small amounts of various vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B6, vitamin E, vitamin K, calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, zinc, manganese, selenium, fiber. It also contains antioxidants like flavonoids, terpenes and other phytochemicals that are thought to have medicinal properties. Essential oil which is extracted from the leaves of the plant contains citronellal, citrol, and geraniol, which are known to have antimicrobial properties. It also contains rosmarinic acid which has anti-inflammatory properties. Benefits of lemon balm: may help reduce anxiety and improve sleep. May have anti-inflammatory properties. May help improve cognitive function. May have antimicrobial properties. May help lower blood sugar levels. May help reduce symptoms of PMS. May help improve the symptoms of a common cold. May help improve the symptoms of herpes. May help reduce the symptoms of asthma. May help improve the symptoms of indigestion and stomach discomfort. May help improve skin conditions such as eczema and dermatitis. May help reduce symptoms of ADHD. May have potential to improve memory. May have potential to fight against cancer cells. May have potential to be used as an insect repellent.